Welcome to our English class. I am Farhana Begum, Assistant Teacher, Rangpur Jilla School. Today our topic, Our Pride. This is lesson 14. From this lesson, you will be able to learn, ask and answer questions, read and understand text, write short paragraphs, make short dialogues and conversations. What do you see in the picture? The Liberation War of Bangladesh, 1971. The Bangladesh Liberation War, also known as the Bangladesh War of Independence or simply the Liberation War in Bangladesh, was a revolution, an armed conflict sparked by the rise of the Bengali nationalist and self-determination movement in what was then East Pakistan during the 1971 Bangladesh genocide. Some keywords for you that will help you to understand the text. Pride, satisfaction with your achievements. Independence, freedom of a country by liberation war. Pledge, a binding commitment to do something good. Some text about our pride. For the people of Bangladesh, March is a month of unforgettable memories, memories of pride as well as sorrow and grief. In the early hours of the 26th March, shortly before his arrest by the Pakistani army, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh. Now, 26th March is our Independence Day, which we celebrate annually with pride and joy. Match a word with similar meaning. There are two columns for you. The left side is column A and the right side is column B. Annually means once a year. Heroic, courageous, liberation, freedom, surrender, to admit defeat and give up, endure, to bear, pledge, promise. Some question and answers for your understanding of the text. Why do we feel sad on our Victory Day? We feel sad on our Victory Day because this day reminds us of all the sufferings and pain our people endured during the 9-month-long liberation war. The night of 25th March is often called the Dark Night. Can you say why? The answer is, on the night of 25th March 1971, the Pakistani army killed many unarmed and innocent men, women and children in Dhaka. Question number 3. Why do you think we celebrate 26th March as our Independence Day? Because in the early hours of 26th March, shortly before his arrest by the Pakistani army, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh. How many months did we fight to achieve victory in our War of Independence? 9 months. The answers you think will truly make Bangladesh Bangabandhu's Sonar Bangla, the Golden Bengal. A. When everyone in our country will have food, shelter and will be able to get treatment in sickness. Answer B. When every child will go to school and have quality education. Answer C. When no child will have to work for a living. There is a individual work for you. Do you have any experience of a national day? What was it for? Where did you go? Who accompanied you? What did you do? Why was it special to you? There is a homework for you. Write a short paragraph. How did you celebrate the Independence Day of this year? Thank you, students.